Gon' vote. Everybody gon' vote. Everybody gon' vote. Everybody gon' vote. Comrade! Labor right, them a go down, bong. Them a go down, bong. Them a go down. Is that? Margie, him a God picking. No hope their work if you touch Margie. Margie, him a God picking. No hope their work if you touch Margie. We now vote for Labour. Orange we a come out in now. If you love the PNP, who no step out for Marky G. Jamaica just come along with we. People time come, people time come, people time is up.
Only thing that's on my mind is who's gonna run this town tonight.
Yeah, I say that we are. Pledge your allegiance.
Who's gonna run this town tonight?
Yeah, I say that we are.
We gonna run this town.
Make the trumpets play. Make the trumpets play.
Jamaica on my screen is this criminal, Andrew Wheatley, former Minister of Science, Energy and Technology. The Auditor General conclude that Andrew Wheatley cannot give account for over 600,000 barrels of oil, and that is costing the taxpayers of Jamaica 5.2 billion. A vote for Wheatley is the vote for criminal Andrew Holness. A vote for Andrew Holness is a vote for the criminal Wheatley. We can't make these people stay in our parliament. We must get rid of these people. Quick and fast, Jamaica. These are the people that the Jamaica Labour Party give power. Just think about that. The country of Jamaica have to pay 2.5 billion every year for purchase oil. And Andrew Wheatley alone can't give account for 600,000 barrels of oil. Cost the taxpayers of Jamaica 5.2 billion, and Andrew Holness still have him in a cabinet to serve the Jamaican people. A vote for Wheatley and Andrew is criminality.
The PNP has been at the center of positive change in this country from 1938, which was over 20 years before political independence from Britain. Over the years, our leaders implemented a vision that led Jamaica forward. It is undeniable that the People's National Party, through every stage of its transition to a modern nation state, we were the ones guiding the country forward. Founding father Norman Washington Manley led political change, including universal adult suffrage, political independence, and nationhood. His son, Michael Joshua Manley, led the transformational social change that empowered Jamaicans to stand firm and shout from the mountaintop, I might be a simple man, but simply a man am I. Equal pay for women was transformational social change. No bastard law was transformational social change. Minimum wage was transformational social change. And rights for workers was transformational social change. Percival James Patterson delivered a vast range of achievements for the Jamaican people. He led infrastructure change, reminding this country that the road to development is the development of roads. He was the chief visionary behind Jamaica's modern highway network, and he became Jamaica's most successful political leader. That is why we say PJ. Portia Lucretia Simpson Miller led the economic change that others are now claiming. And time come for Sister P to get the credit she deserves. Let us never forget her. The Jamaica Labour Party government ran from every test and drove the country into a deep crisis. But it was under Sister P that we turned the country around and put our economy firmly on track. While navigating the necessary sacrifices, Sister P always showed love for the people. And that love is reflected in her powerful instruction. Never look down on a person unless you're going to lift them up. Sister P, that was the heartbeat of your message. Dr. Peter David Phillips, he was the principal architect of our successful fiscal transformation. His hands were on the financial wheel when Jamaica worked our way from under the heavy yoke of unsustainable public debt, creating new vistas of opportunity to realize our full potential. We are where we are today as a nation because the team of Portia Simpson Miller and Peter David Phillips guided us through the most turbulent times. We commit today as a party to forever defend their great legacy. The works of our former leaders inspire us to deliver a better life for all Jamaicans, guided by our progressive principles of equality and justice, built on a firm foundation of utmost integrity.
He must inspire by example, and above all, he must have integrity. Integrity, integrity. Hey!
Our leaders have inspired us to move forward and to make new decisions for new times. We are now in a new phase of global change and uncertainty that more than ever must be navigated by strong, principled leadership. Together, we will continue this noble mission, with our next stop being Jamaica House. Jamaica is ready. We are ready. The People's National Party is more than ready. Today, as president of our party, humbly and respectfully, I make it clear to all Jamaicans and the world, we choose change. Our 21st century mandate is one of change for Jamaica, land we love. Together, we will deliver on that mandate.
Here, Michael Leaching staff then. Michael Leaching staff restive. Michael Leaching them now want to pay the worker them properly, you know. Hey. When you hear me just say to you, I could go in a corporate Jamaica business little. Are you aware, Jamaica, that Michael Leaching don't want to pay the workers them properly? When you hear about it, the staff at NCB as we speak Jamaica, they are restive. Now you understand why so much fraud happened at NCB. You remember the girl where they take out the $70 million out of the people in my account? Now no understand why we're going at NCB we're going. Yes. And at them alone restive, you know. Only in the ear say all the referee them will play with the football association and in the country. On the ear say the referee them now do no match for the Football Association in Jamaica. When I hear me just say to you.
Alright. Partner draw. Andre. Sit the red cup. Sit the red cup. Sit the red cup. The two for the red. Sit the red cup.
Listen to this, Jamaica. The referees across Jamaica have taken a strong stance by remaining off the field, adamant that their strike action will not end until they are paid in full for their overdue compensation. As a result, the Royal Navy Premier League has been temporarily halted, with Sunday scheduled matches in the third round of the competition being postponed. Mighty God. The strike comes after reports that referees have not been compensated since 2024, with a total amount owed estimated to be approximately $8 million. Sources indicate that the last salaries paid to the officials were as far back as March 9. The delay in payments has led to growing frustration amongst the officials, who have made it clear that they will not return to the field until the full amount owed to them is settled. Emergency negotiation with the Jamaica Football Referees Association, which represents the referees, the Jamaica Football Federation, and the Jamaica Premier League Limited, have been ongoing since last Friday. However, as of now, an agreement has yet to be reached. The president expressed hope that the resolution could be reached as soon as possible, emphasizing that it is crucial for the game and all the parties involved. What a disgrace. What a disgrace. Jamaica Football Association, the Premier League. This more than for call for ball out. No, man.
Today I want to talk to you about the importance of getting enumerated. Now, imagine looking around your constituency, your community, and identifying things that you want changed, but you don't have a say in making those changes. If you get registered to vote today or before March 31st, you'll become eligible to vote by May 31st. So I want to implore you to get on the voters list, get registered, so that you can have a meaningful say in the changes that are effected in your constituency.
I practice my ex. Because I want to make sure say my part don't spoil this election day. Long time them labor right there for gone, you know. Them two one caring, man. Make sure say my mark the ex right there, so. Because I don't want the ballot spoil. See that ex, yeah? For the teacher, them want to get them pay. You see that ex, yeah? And for the people them want dead pan hospital bench because they never have no bed. You see that ex, yeah? And for the police, them want work overtime and can't get them overtime pay. Yeah, man. See all that ex, yeah? And for the big salary, what the politician them give themselves, and I can get little salary to the people them. That ex right now, yeah. For the nurse them. The nurse them. Or if you are working long hours and can't get no pay, if you go off foreign to try to survive. You see, oh man, that ex, yeah? This is because that time they didn't take the bulldozer and mash up the house them out of Clifton. You see that ex, yeah? And the arrogance and the dictatorship where they try to run the country under. You see one there right there, so I feel all of the disrespect what they want to come give Jamaican. I make sure I say me mark my ex properly. Time come for a change. Time come for a better Jamaica.